Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here, and today we are at Tweetsie Railroad. It is a theme park attraction destination in Blowing Rock, North Carolina, and we are super excited. It's been a long time since we've been here, so we're really excited to show you guys around. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. So the parking is a little ways away, and just take note it is gravel, so wear comfortable shoes. Tweetsie was an original train that operated from Johnson City, Tennessee to the iron mines just over the state line at Cranberry, North Carolina. Eventually new lines were added to pass through Boone, North Carolina, and brought lumber out of the mountains. The nickname Tweetsie was given to the railroad by locals who became accustomed to the shrill train whistle that echoed through the hills. The name stuck, and the train was known as Tweetsie ever since. Eventually, Tweetsie Railroad evolved into North Carolina's first theme park. The track was expanded into a 3-mile loop, and an authentic western town was built up around the station.
So if you come here to the gates to buy your tickets instead of getting them online or beforehand, they are $58 for adults and $39 for children. They also have season passes, so if you plan on coming more than once, it might be worth it. So once you get your tickets, you proceed right up the stairs, and right here's the main entrance area here.
Alright guys, so here's a quick look at the map of Tweetsie. It seems to be pretty big. Of course, the main attraction here is going to be the train right up there. We're going to try to check out a lot of the other stuff and take you guys with us. So one thing we do remember is that this place is, sort of similar to like a county fair, like the rides and attractions that they have. So you're going to see a lot of that while you're here, just those traditional fair rides. So let's check out one of these stores, see if they have any Tweetsie specific merchandise. So of course they have some train specific merchandise that you can buy that is specific to Tweetsie Railroad. And we also have some merchandise over here, like some shirts, coats, and things like that. And if you want to be a little conductor, you can buy a hat. That is super cute. And they also have these really pretty Christmas ornaments. And we also have plenty of photo ops here throughout the park. Here's one of a teepee. And look at that. They sell these custom signs, these like woodworking signs in this shop here, but I like this one, not sure why. And another good example of the photo spots, you can walk out here on this little deck, and it's like a perfect picture when the train comes back. So now let's go check out the country fair area. So again, we have more of these fair specific rides, classic attractions. So here are some of the ride height restrictions, just in case you have any little ones and are wondering what they can ride. So unfortunately, the Turnpike cruisers are out of service at the moment, but here's a close-up look of what they look like. Looks very fun on the track there. And also up here we have an arcade. Looks like they have plenty of games and things in here for you to check out. And once again, more classic attractions.
So we're going to ride the chairlift to Miners Mountain. It goes all the way up that way. Alternatively, you can take a walking path or ride a bus. Alright, so we have sat down and we're on our way up. It's a little swingy when you first sit down because, like most chairlifts, they don't actually stop them. So you gotta be ready.
Alright guys, we just got off the chairlift to Miners Mountain. Let's check out this area.
So something cool that they have here is a pickup service for your packages, so you can drop them off and pick it up at the end of the day. So here is the Mouse Mine. Looks like a little steel wheel coaster. Looks like a little mining cart actually. So you can't call it Miner's Mountain without having a mine. Here's the gem mine. And the prices for the gem mine are $12 or $18. So the last thing they've got here at Miner's Mountain is the deer park. Up here you can feed animals and walk through the deer park. Here are the rules, and it is 50 cents per cone, and they give you a ice cream cone and fill it up with feed.
Looks like over here we have some llamas. As you can see, they are very popular. And here are some deer. Looks like they're getting fed as well. He's like, you don't have any food. You're of no interest to me. Sorry, bud. Hello. We don't have food, I'm sorry. We have some little goats here. Very cute. Oh. It does say goat crossing on that sign.
Look at him. Oh, how'd you do that?
And we have a little guy that's gotten out. Which it does say goat crossing, so I guess that's okay.
Hello. Right over here we've got a couple sunbathing.
And we also have some sheep here. And they have a little crossing here for them. This is so cute and interactive. We have some emus here, but be careful. They bite.
Here are the burros.
And don't worry, they do have a hand washing station available after you visit the animals. And again, we have more classic fair attractions. This one is called the Tweetsie Twister. So they do have several dining options here at Tweetsie as well. Most of it's going to be more geared towards families and kids. So I think, Seth, you said this one had like pizza and hot dogs, things like that. And it's not quite time for it yet, but they do have a theater here. Looks like the show times are listed there. It's not quite 1:30 yet, and the next show looks like it's at 2, so we're probably going to miss it. Just know it is here. And it looks like they do have a little play area over here. It looks pretty new.
Alright, so we are going to take the chairlift back down the mountain. And here we go.
One thing I will say, if you are just wanting to ride the chairlift once, I would recommend either walking or riding the bus up to Miner's Mountain and then coming back down, because the wait is a lot shorter. Alright, we've made it back down the chairlift. We noticed the Tweetsie Palace. We're going to go inside and check it out, hopefully. I see, it looks like there is a show in here, and again the next one is at 3. It looks like one just started at 1:30. Let's see if we can peek in and just take a sneak peek. So the show is going on right now, and it looks like they have little snacks over here, but we'll let you guys take a listen to the show right quick.
So back at where the main entrance is when you first come into the park, right here is the loading station. So you pretty much pick which car you want to hop in and ride and get in line. So here we are on the train.
Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises.
Alrighty, how's everybody doing today?
We're doing great.
Good, alrighty. Well, my name is Sheriff Jackson, and I'll be riding with y'all today. Get my good stuff.
Nice.
Now, we got ourselves a gold box on board today, so that means y'all probably have about a 90% chance of getting robbed today.
cemetery food. Folks, wanted to make a quick stop here at the Frontier Outpost. Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here.
It's like somebody's making popcorn out here. Yeah. Anyway, Sheriff, what? I think I might be getting that danger boo feeling. I don't know what you're feeling, but last time you felt anything, you blew up the outhouse. So I don't want you getting any feeling. No, it's danger boo. It's like you've been somewhere before. You mean deja vu? Because they're hot. If you guys could help me out real quick, Bill, you can keep an eye out for any sort of mass-cleared bandits.
Why not? It's okay.
Oh, they're right there. Oh, Echo's bad idea. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Ow. We have
Tabasco! And together, we are the Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits! Cha-cha-cha-cha!
They'll be mighty upset if you were to take it.
You know what? That's a good idea. Come on, Tabasco. Let's cut our losses and go home. Wait a minute, Tabasco.
What?
We're bad guys.
Wait, we are?
We don't care about their feelings. We don't care if they're broke. We don't care about none of it. Go get us that gold right me out. Joke's on you, Tabasco. You're not getting a share of that gold.
Joke's on you, you're on your own now. I won't help you.
There's no gold in this box.
There's an idiot in the gold box. Ow!
And this week's subscriber of the week is Deb. Thank you for watching and commenting on our last adventure. If you too would like to be the subscriber of the week, check the comments to see how to enter.
None have ever been successful till now. Doesn't look like anyone's coming to our rescue, so it looks like the bad guys have finally won.
Haley right here. What is that? A piece of trash. Tell you are a piece of trash. Now, Tabasco, tie them up. Why not?
I'm not going to say it. That's weird.
Look, it ain't that weird.
That is
Watch.
weird.
Wait, Texas B, I love you. All right, never mind. That is kind of weird.
Oh, I spy a horse. That lady on the back of the train does not look like a horse. We already went over this. It's the marshal. Oh, hi there, Marshal. Hi. Well, fancy seeing you here. What brings you here?
Well, I heard y'all might be leaving.
Oh,
This is dynamite.
woo, hey, my prop. Touchdown, Cowboy. That's a first.
Wait a minute. How'd you guys get untied?
Hey, whoa. You can't do that. Well, it's Walker Scott.
Never heard of him.
And it's... Ow! What are you going to do if the rest of their day shows up?
Oh, don't you worry none.
Fired steam locomotive. We have two locomotives here at Tweetsie. 1940, the train ran daily between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. The train got its nickname, Tweetsie, because of its whistle.
So now that our train ride is over, we have one more store to visit. Let's head inside. So I think it is really funny, or ironic I guess I should say, that they have these shot glasses in here when I believe there's no alcohol permitted on the property, but I love these. These are so cute.
And they've got these postcards. So that's pretty cool with a couple different options here. I think over here are some Tweetsie Railroad children's shirts here. They've got plenty of options if you are wanting a Tweetsie Railroad hat. And they've got some jackets and coats if you want to grab one of those to commemorate your trip. And over here they do have the adult size shirts as well. So this says for a good time. Open the door. What's in here? Oh, goodness. They've got some law badges. You can get a custom sheriff's badge with your name on it. And here in the main entrance area, there is the Cowboy Cantina. They do have various options in here, such as pizza and chicken tenders and various other snacks. And right here they've got the U.S. Marshal Tweetsie jail here. It's a little cute little photo op where you can, you know, be in jail. Or I guess if you do something bad here while at Tweetsie, they may put you in, and I don't know how long you'll be stuck here.
Alright guys, so we are all done here with our day at Tweetsie Railroad, the amusement destination in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. It's been a pretty fun day, honestly.
Yeah.
Probably the best part for me was the train ride. That hasn't changed much. It's always fun, entertaining, and the scenery is always beautiful. More of the attractions are going to be more for kids and family, so we kind of just observe those a little bit more. But this place hasn't changed much. I feel like it, if anything, it's added more, maybe updated a little bit, which is good. But yeah, it's really cute. And if you are anywhere in North Carolina, or you know, looking for a little day trip with you and your family, this is definitely going to be a great destination to visit. So we hope you guys like this video. If you've ever been here before, be sure to comment, let us know what you thought of this destination. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time,
We hope to see you on the next adventure.
Bye.